Right, so today, definitely need a bigger shed. So today I'm using, basically I've been to B&Q, I picked up some of this wrap stuff, vinyl covering thing, £4 for the roll. I think it's DC Fix, whatever that is. £4 for a roll. I'm basically going to wrap like the, I don't know, what is it, B pillar, the one between the front door and the back door, and the same on the other side. The idea is that it's going to look like the tinted glass and the front windows are like all one strip, so there's not that silver bit. Don't know what it's going to look like, I just thought of it, so I'm going to give it a go, see what it looks like. Might look rubbish, might be alright, so I'll give it a go. Right, so the plan is this part here where it's tinted glass, and then you've got the front window here. I want this to be sort of gloss black, so it all looks like one long strip of black, if that makes sense, all the way down there. So by using this stuff, which I showed you a second ago, we're going to wrap it, so it should be quite straightforward. Just going to clean this up, and I'm going to basically make a line across there for the wrap to go on, and then something the same around here, whatever, maybe go across there and up in gloss black. Hopefully should look alright. Go. Doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Just blends that black bit there in all the way across. I did muck up a little bit, so I don't know if you saw me redoing that. There was a couple of air bubbles there, but basically I had to add a little bit more on this return bit just here, because when it shuts you could still see silver in there. but now it's nice. What I will do as well though is I'm going to just do these returns here like I just did with the other one. I'm just going to do all down there. I didn't realise you'd be able to see all that, so I'm just going to do this bit and then this little bit here, and then that'll all blend in nicely. So that'll be black there. That's the plan. At least I know for the other side that I need to leave a bit of extra to overlap. But yeah, I did push a little bit hard there. When I'm cutting with the old Stanley, I don't push very hard. I just push really gently, just so you can feel it going through the vinyl but not touching the paint. And you can see there, that you see that there's no scratches or nothing there. Hasn't gone through it. It barely even goes through this when you're running it along. So you probably best have like a couple of practices just to get a feel for it. Or you can buy that cutter's tape stuff, knifeless tape or whatever it's called. Knifeless tape, you pretty much like run along where you want the cut, and then you wrap over it, and then you just pull the tape and it cuts it for you. So that's another way of doing it. So yeah, I'm just going to do that of a little bit, those return, whatever they're called, flange, and then I'm going to go and do the other side as well. But I think it looks alright, to be fair. Not bad for like £4 or whatever it was. Bargain. Right, there we go. I've managed to do it in like one piece this time. There's a little bit of silver showing just there, but it's like behind the window, and I'm not taking the window out, I really can't be bothered. Made a little mistake here, so just chucked a little bit of wrap out. You can't even see it unless you're really looking for it, but like I say, it's in the door shut. So there you go. What do you reckon? Look better? Leave a comment down below if you think it looks better, or if I should just tear it off. I don't know. See what the other side looks like. Here's the back. What do you reckon? Here's a normal one. It's my neighbour's. There's mine. What do you reckon? Leave it on? I don't know. Not too bad. Right, it's another little job done. Not really a job, just fancy doing it. £4 I think that cost me, that little roll in B&Q. So if you're thinking about just turn that off. Think about doing it, just give it a go. It's actually really easy. I'm not like a rapper by any means, but it's a flat panel pretty much, so give it a go. Next little job is going to be to redo these windows. Don't know if you can see, there's little gaps everywhere. The back ones are particularly bad, holes in the tint, so I'm going to be doing them. They're all like purple as well, purple tint to them, and I'm pretty sure that this is covering up a hole in the tint, I reckon. And there's like, somebody's been clawing at the window there. No idea what's happened there. Sneak peek, I've already done that window. That's all you're getting. I had to have a little practice before I filmed it, and I'm really not very good at that either, but it's, what was that, 20 quid for a roll, and that should do the whole, well, I might need another roll for the boot, but I don't know, should do most of it for 20 quid. Like the tint shops probably want like a couple £100 to do that, so I took my time. Well, you'll see in the next video anyway when we do it. So leave a comment below whether you think the black vinyl should stay or go. Be interested to know. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. It's free. There's lots more videos on the Bongo and the other little cars that we got. So yeah, it's good fun. Give us a like if you fancy it, or a dislike, up to you. So enjoy. I will see you soon. Goodbye.